Hi, I'm James Treble. I'm here with Brickworks and welcome to Tips and Tricks. In this series, we're going to be offering the need-to-know tips for building your dream home. Today, we're going back to basics, starting with the very foundation of the home, the humble brick. In our top 5 tips, we're going to be looking at the best ways to select a brick for your home, factoring in the importance of colour, texture, lay patterns and other essential considerations to help you achieve your desired look. It's the smallest details that can really make the look and feel of your home. And choosing the right brick can make all of the difference. So let's dive right in. 1. Know the style of your house. By understanding the architectural style of your home, it will already help you with the direction to go for your brick choices. If you're looking at that popular Hampton style, then perhaps a lighter white brick or maybe a nice grey brick will allow all of that white detailing to really pop. If you're looking at an industrial style or something a bit more modern, then a smooth face brick, maybe in metallics, is going to be the perfect choice. Consider the proportion of finishes on your home. By understanding how much brick is on your facade, you'll have a better idea of the depth of colour, whether to go lighter or darker, maybe more grey, maybe more red. And talking about colour, it's important to remember that there are over 800 colours to choose from in the Brickworks range, from vibrant reds and blues to beautiful crisp whites and sexy charcoals. And talking about the colour of your brick, remember to look at the brick in natural light, because that's of course how your home is going to be viewed as well. 2. Consider the brick texture, size and finish. There is such a range of options to consider when it comes to the texture of your brick, and depending on the style of the home, one will work better than the other. If you're going for that very popular style modern farmhouse, which I personally love, then the sandstock range is the perfect way to add that beautiful rustic texture to the facade. If you're going for a more modern home, then a smooth face brick might be a better option to give you those beautiful clean lines. And when it comes to size, of course there's the standard brick format, but why not look at the long format? The beautiful bricks from the Panorama range add another way to add great texture to your facade. 3. Don't overlook your mortar and joint type. That's that little bit of cement that surrounds your brick. It ultimately holds your wall together. And the colour of that mortar can really change the look of your facade. Now there's a range of mortar colours to choose from. A standard mortar uses bricky sand, which is actually more yellow, but I tend to use the off-white because it allows the colour of the brick to become the star. You can also colour your mortar to match the brick using oxide, so there's such a wide choice available. Don't underestimate the importance of the mortar and how it can really alter your facade. The joint also comes in different profiles. If you're after a beautiful smooth finished brick, then you might like a flush joint. I commonly use the ironed joint, which is almost like I've wet my finger and rubbed it through the joint. It's got that slight dip. But if you're going for a reclaimed or sandstock brick, then a rake joint will be the perfect option for you, allowing the irregular face of the brick to really stand out. 4. Be playful with your lay patterns. Now you don't have to go for standard brick bond, which is where the bricks are offset. Stack bond is really popular these days for so many architectural styles. And don't be afraid to look at hit and miss as a great way to add a lot of texture to your facade as well. And finally, 5. Consider the location you're building in. Bricks are made with clays and they all perform differently in the environment. Some of them can be affected by salts in the air if you're near the coast, and that's why beautiful exposure grade bricks have been created, which are perfect for your home. And for those of you building a new home in a new area, consider the developer estate guidelines for more information on the brick choices that you might have to consider for your new home. As you can see, there are so many brick options for your new home. For more information, go to brickworks.com.au/tips and tricks.